Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're back with another hair installation video, and today we'll be installing this lovely 24-inch Kinky Straight V-part unit from Nadula Hair. And this unit is a pretty simple grab and go, quick 5-minute install, no glue, no gel. None of that stuff is required for this unit. If you're interested in this unit, then go ahead and check out the video, and I'll be back with my final thoughts and how you can purchase this unit. See you guys on the other side. The unit comes with the combs in the side, one in the back, has those pop-up comb in the front as well. Also comes with this little mesh to make it look a little bit more natural. Super fluffy, super thick, kinky unit. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and jump right into the installation. So this is a pretty simple grab and go unit, 5-minute install, super quick. So we have our sections out already. I will be leaving just a little bit out to cover the tracks, and I just pushed my hair back. What I'm about to do now is to use my edge control. This edge control is from Cream of Nature. Just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair so that when we pull our wig back, it looks super realistic and more natural. Just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Again, the unit comes with 2 combs in the side, 1 in the back. It comes with 4 pop-up combs at the top. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. I'm just gonna pull the comb in at the back first. I'm gonna put the ones in at the side. So this is it. Now that we put it on, and this is how the baby hairs look on the unit. This is it. This is what it's looking like. Our part is over. Honestly, we are finished. All we need to do is to flat iron our hair and the unit, and we'll be done. But this is it. Now that we put our wig on, what I'm about to do next is to flat iron the unit to get it super smooth. As you can see, it is a kinky unit, so it is looking super fluffy at the moment. So what I'm about to do is to get this super flat, and then it'll be cover with tracks and we'll be finished. Honestly, this is it. The unit is super soft, super fluffy, super easy, quick 5 minutes install. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So I will be doing it in small portions. It's super fluffy, which means I gotta go like section by section, track by track. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair. Alright guys, so this is it. Now that I flat ironed it, you can see the difference. Super soft, super silky. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the other side. Alright guys, so I just finished straightening the unit, and this is it. This is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cover the tracks with my hair, and also I will be applying some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to this unit to give it a little bit of moisture, a little bit of silkiness. Just going to go ahead and finish up my wig. It's super soft. Guys, so this is the finished look. I ended up adding some layers and some curls to this unit, and it's giving a really nice natural vibes. This is it. Super soft, super pretty. It's given natural and I love it. This is it. It's given super natural at the roots as well. The quality of this unit was just amazing. It blends so good with my hair. It's so easy to straighten, and honestly the fact that we don't need glue or gel was just another plus for me. The unit was super easy to install. It blends so good with my hair. It was super easy to straighten. And not only that, but it is super affordable. Guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. Again, this unit is from Nadula Hair. This is their 24-inch Kinky Straight V-part unit, and this is it. It's super natural. This is it. This is it. The unit is super pretty and I love the texture of this unit. It is just so soft. It blends so good with my hair. And I just love how natural this turned out. Guys, go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys for today.